clean stuff out. Oh, that's so gross.
Yeah. Do you want gloves? I'm gonna get you gloves. This is gross. I can just lift it out?
Yep. Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Ooh, this will make a great fountain.
No.
One of the biggest reasons we hate this counter is you can't tell if it's dirty. It'll look clean, and then all of a sudden you'll be like, what the hell? Who spilled something here?
I forgot to check under there. Disappointed. Hold on. Woo!
That wasn't
Nice.
That wasn't hard enough. I barely had to do anything. God, I'm so strong.
Be careful with the cabinet.
I got an idea.
You okay?
Yep, I'm good. How are you? I'm good.
Let's take another look at it.
You thinking? It's working. I think we should take this outside.
They definitely drywalled after putting the cabinets in. No, they put the cabinets in over the drywall and then cut out a whole section.
The two different color wallpapers from the two different layers of drywall. What the heck were they doing?
Nice.
It's the kind of stuff we're working with. This is our home. Adapt and overcome. So you might be wondering, why are we cleaning up all this debris in the dining room when we're redoing our kitchen? Well, the answer is we have to get up here to get the electricity, which is over there, which goes into the kitchen. There's a little bit left to do still. Not
More than a little.
More than a little. When we started this in January.
It was not January. Mid-May.
At the end of February.
Mid-May.
Mid-May. April.
Brian.
We've got the kitchen started, rebuilding it, building it back again.
Making her better.
Building her back stronger, more efficient, more powerful. Sexy.
Oh.
Whatever. Here's all this like raw wood, and we're gonna put this down. It's not finished, so this is a big project. So this is probably gonna take us through 2027.
We will be done sometime this summer.
This is the Summer of Rubble. Fun. It is fun, right, honey? It's fun! Still a lot of fun. That part only sucks a little. The part that sucks a lot is that everything that was in our kitchen is now in every other part of our house.
Mostly our living room.
Yeah, but mostly our
And
everything.
the dining room is now part of the kitchen.
Still a lot of fun. See you soon.
See you soon.
It's fun!